Gooseberry, that is amla. It is a treat to mankind. It's low in calories and fat, yet packed with nutrients and fibers. It is anti-cancerous as it is rich in antioxidants, especially vitamin C, and it controls blood sugar. It aids in weight loss as well as it speeds up our metabolism and flushes out bad toxins out of our body and aids in digestion. And overall, it improves our immunity, which is a must in today's COVID situation. So for this amla preserve or chutney, here I have taken half kg of thoroughly washed amla and I have just dried it with the help of a kitchen towel and I have shredded it with a shredder. You can use your food processor or chopper. So I have just taken out the seeds and I have shredded it and I'm going to measure out. This was around 3 cups of raw shredded amla. I took around half kg of amla. So this made 3 cups approximately. So we are just going to take equal quantity of jaggery powder, or you can take shakkar as well. And into another bowl, I am going to measure equal quantity of jaggery powder, that is shakkar. In my case, I am going to measure out 3 cups of jaggery powder as the raw gooseberry was 3 cups. So I'll just measure out the equal proportion of jaggery powder as well. And we'll be adding few spices to it. That's it, and now here goes our spices. So first of all, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger powder, which is salt powder, along with half teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, or you can just add the ordinary salt. I always prefer the Himalayan salt, pink Himalayan salt, as it prevents water retention in our body. And here goes half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now give it a good mix. And yes, this was all that we require for our gooseberry preserve. No cooking at all. So now is the assembling part. We are just left with the assembling part. Take a clean and dry glass jar or bottle, and now we are going to layer it with gooseberry and our jaggery powder. So first of all, here goes a layer of jaggery powder, and over it we'll be adding a layer of shredded gooseberry, and again we will top up with a layer of jaggery powder and again gooseberry. So we'll keep on repeating, and on the top we'll be adding the jaggery layers. And yes, we will keep this jar in direct sunlight for a day, and then we'll keep it into our refrigerator. This stays fresh for 2 to 3 months. And yes, just put a clean and dry spoon while taking out your portion, and just 1 or 2 teaspoons of this preserve with your meal is enough for your daily requirement. And yes, do try it and let me know in the comment section below how it came out. But I'm pretty sure that you are going to like it, as it is such an easy peasy recipe and I'm 101% sure that you're just gonna love it. And believe me, guys, my kids used to have it. I just give them a teaspoon along with the lunch or dinner, and they really enjoy it a lot. Hope you will like my recipe, and do let me know how it came out. And yes, if you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe and share my channel. And a point which is to be noted is, just make sure to insert a clean and dry spoon while taking out your portion, or else you will ruin this whole preserve. It will get spoiled. And do preserve it into your refrigerator. Do subscribe my channel and share it with your near and dear ones, and do try my recipes. I'll be back with another interesting vlog. Until then, take care, stay home, stay safe and enjoy homemade good food, and keep yourself safe. So bye for now. Take care. Enjoy.